Alexander. I come from the US. A trip here was about 30 hours, but before I got started, I found Hair of Istanbul on Instagram. I know I was putting it off on and off, but since it was my birthday, I decided to make this a birthday present for myself. I looked at the reviews, I looked at the processes. I saw that you guys did a couple of African-American guys' hair, and the lineups turned out, and I was like, okay, this place looks really good. Went on WhatsApp, made a quick, confirmation, called you guys to get information about it. I guess you guys wanted a picture of my areas to see where my donor areas and things like that was. And once you guys did the consultations, you said that I have a good donor area and I was eligible to come and do it. So after I sent my pictures, you guys said that I have a healthy enough donor area to go on with the procedures. And then you gave me some information about, I guess like the billing and the pricing and what to expect. You guys, so I had to confirm, my flight information to see that I was coming, the registration, the deposit, and my passport to make sure that I'm coming. Once we confirmed those things, you guys sent me a lot more information about the process. Yeah, and it basically, everything you guys had in the brochure is basically what happened, and then you explained what was going to happen multiple times, so I knew what was coming. There was no surprises. You guys were with me every step of the way. When I arrived in Doha, you was checking on me at the airport. I was like, I just arrived here. So the whole process, you guys were with me the whole time. This facility is awesome. Like, it's like something from the future. This place is really nice. And then the staff, yeah, this place was really nice. And then once I got here, they picked me up from the airport, and the hotel accommodation, very nice hotel. By the way, my first morning when I got here to do the procedures, it was no pain. I actually got to the point where I actually fell asleep during the operation. So I was like that comfortable. And since I only did the front part where my lineup is, I dozed off a couple times, and the next thing I know is like, hey, you're finished. I was like, oh wow, that's it. And so it's been a great experience. I highly recommend, if anybody is thinking about getting a hair transplant, I highly recommend Hair of Istanbul. It was a great experience. And then Istanbul, Turkey is just beautiful. I want to come back to this place anyway. Yeah, not just for hair, this place is beautiful. So come out to Turkey and check these guys out.